Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create first AI image in Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an AI-powered creative tool developed by Adobe that lets you generate images from simple text prompts. So first, in order to create your first AI image, you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, what you can do is you need to simply select to this text to image. Over here, what you can do is you can simply select to this prompt here and you can go to this icon here. You can select to this image here. You have two options. Simply click onto this image and simply give a prompt. So write your prompt into this box, example, a city and sunset. And after you've given the prompt, what you can do is you can simply choose a style and setting over here. You can go to this icon here and you can select the partner models. You can also select the Adobe models here. And you can also select to this auto here. You can select to this ratio that you prefer to put to get the generated AI image as well. And after that, you can go to this generate here. After some time, Firefly will create image options based on a prompt as well. And creating your first AI image in Adobe Firefly is fast and beginner friendly. Within just simple text description, you can produce high quality visuals in minutes over here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.